toolkit.
This is full of all the smallest screwdrivers you can find on the planet. Oh yeah, look at this, an anti-static wrist bracelet thing so that I don't shock my components as I'm putting together a computer. Yeah.
What?
It's a gimmick.
I was about to say, what, static electricity?
Yeah, it's a gimmick.
So this whole thing is fake, is that what you're saying?
No, these are actual tools. Like, but that's a gimmick. People actually believe in that shit. Guitar picks. Guitar picks.
Never know when you gotta jam out, huh?
Scalpel.
Where's the,
No,
Surgery.
It's not sharp. It's for prying.
where's the metal spudger?
Oh, that's
Metal
for your
spudger.
putting your computer
Or
together?
no, I think this is actually the spudger right here. It's really bendy. I don't like that.
It says it's metal. What's it
Oh,
say?
the metal spudger? Yeah,
It's
the metal spudger.
that's for a
right here.
computer? Putting
Yeah.
a computer together?
Computer components or small electronic components.
You know how
You
David
can
did his?
pry naked.
Good. Good.
Jimmy? Is that
No, this is for like when you're fixing components, like desoldering. You know, you can desolder a resistor and pick it up. You know, with little things like this. Just so anyway, the reason I bought this whole kit, and you'll see in a minute
$29?
when we $29, sure.
I don't know. I'm just guessing.
No.
More than that?
You can find about all these tools for $29 if you rummage around, but to get them all in one kit together in this nice carrying case, yeah, iFixIt charges you an arm and a leg. It's like $60.
Oh. Wow.
Look at this fancy thing, so you can screw around the
I remember
corner.
Tyler bought a guitar kit. I guess it's from Ernie Ball or
So
Dunlop or somebody.
this is why I brought this into work. Is
Oh,
what's
man.
his name? Mario has that that microphone
You
that
got a
we
tool in
can't
there I
get
can
into.
use.
Yeah, exactly.
That my head, those V-Motas,
Yeah.
screws came off of one of them, so one ear fell off. Well,
Right.
we got the Central Arkansas covers. I'm just going to swipe screws from the Central Arkansas covers and put them in the two screws that hold the cup to your head.
Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yep.
But I don't have a,
Yeah, but you don't have the.
tiny ass
Yeah, that's what I'm
Allen
saying.
wrench.
This is why I bought this kit, because a lot of the shit that I deal with is so tiny. Even on uplights and stuff, some of those pieces are so tiny. And when you open up like MacBooks, all this, everything in a MacBook is super tiny. So anyway, I'm gonna go try and open up Mario's wireless microphone.
What, quit working on them?
Yeah, we think the capsule came desoldered, or came unsoldered, however you say that. So, yeah.